You say hello? You say hi? You say hello? Say hi! So we're in Barnes & Noble waiting for the story time to start. It starts at 11, so it's 10:42, so we still have like a few more minutes. So I'm gonna go look at some books and have Pharaoh pick out some books. Yeah! Are you excited? Yeah! Pharaoh had a really good story time. Read about Elmo's birthday just in time for his birthday. Right, little one. Hello. I see you.
That's a treat stand right there. How much you think that is? That'll work because it's metal.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I'm looking for. Something like a 3. Or I can get the dollar trays and spray paint them gold. Can we do that?
What were you gonna put on the treat stand?
Okay.
Oh, well then, yeah, for the kids. Yeah, that'd be cute for the kids. They have a mini one that holds 13. That holds 24. But then, what size of the cupcakes are gonna get for the kids?
I want whatever she do. The next ain't gonna be if the damn wrappers would fit. That's why I said if the wrappers didn't fit, at least I got the candle, the crown. Cupcake top.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can find some gold paper crowns.
Here's a treat stand that holds 23.
But we get 24.
But one could be like on the front, like on the table in front of this. I don't know. I saw it. I don't know how much.
Unless we get 2 that got this whole 12.
Equal to 24. But by the time you do that, it'll be, yeah, it don't say. It don't say.
How much is that? That's probably better bet.
That's $40.
Because I could put 12 here.
Mm-hmm.
His smash cake, another 12.
Mm-hmm.
And then the big cake.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
Yeah, that would be better. Because I see where you're talking about for the smash cake there. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Is in the past, not knowing what we lose, don't know what will last, yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem.
So we're gonna get a Daniel Tiger happy birthday banner. Let me put that in there. Let's see. They have the what? Of what? They have Daniel Tiger? Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's so... What? Yeah. Oh, he gonna love that. Ma, you think this would be cute? What about this? Oh, well, that's like a backdrop. Like, I don't know. Yeah, just us. Because you never know if Diamond might pop up, or you never know. Oh, how many of the hats? Probably comes with 8. You think a party hat would be good too? Oh, okay. Well, I don't see a hat of Daniel Tiger. Okay. Oh, this is cute. A little hat here. That is really cute. So we're in Party City, Pharaoh and my mom, getting a few things for Pharaoh's birthday party. And the day of his birthday, we are going to do a Daniel Tiger theme, as you guys see right there. So there. So yeah, he loves Daniel Tiger. You guys know that he loves Daniel Tiger, so I'm getting a few things for the 25th, which is his actual birth date, and then we're also getting some items for his big birthday party of his special thing that I can't wait to tell you guys. Are you excited, Pharaoh? Pharaoh, he's like playing with like, yes, the Daniel Tiger hat. So yeah, so we're in Party City, and then once we leave here, we're gonna go meet with our baker because we have an appointment with her within the next hour, and then head over to Target and a few other places. So yeah, so I'm super excited, guys, for his first birthday.
Don't know what will last, yeah. The things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value.
Alright guys, so we are now about to go to do some cake taste. I can't even really talk. We're about to go ahead and do some cake tasting for Pharaoh's birthday cake and the cupcakes and everything like that. So once we leave from here, we're gonna go to Target, and then we have to go down over to UPS. And yeah, so we've had such a busy, eventful Saturday, and then once we get home, we're gonna do some Valentine's Day crafts and everything like that, and then we have to also go to Michael's. So yeah, so we have a pretty eventful afternoon. So far, we've been doing everything good on a time frame and everything like that. So I can't wait to taste some cakes and let you guys know which one we found inside. Hey guys, so we just got back home from taking care of our errands, as you guys saw. So we went to Party City, Target, Michael's, we went to Walmart, and we went to Whole Foods for grocery shopping and stuff like that. So we got a few things for Pharaoh for his birthday parties, as I should say. We didn't go to Carter's because I was like, I don't really want to waste my time in the stores. You guys know, if you guys been following me and watching the vlogs, that I just order online. I'm an online shopper and an app shopper, so I mainly get Pharaoh stuff from Carter's on the app or online. So yeah, that's what I'm be doing on tonight. Yeah, we also went to Barnes & Noble for the children's story time. This was our second visit. It went really well, so I like it. So I definitely could see us going to the children's story time like maybe twice out the month, on the weekends and stuff like that. And then also, it was so cute, they did today, the sales associate had read like Elmo's birthday celebration. I'll show you guys like the book and all the goodies he got from the story time. And I told my mom, I was like, what a coincidence, because it's Pharaoh's birthday month and I had to get the book, I had to purchase it. So yeah, so that was so cute today. I was like super excited we were able to go. So because at first I thought we weren't gonna make it like on time and everything like that. So yeah, so I am worn out, I am tired, and I'm about to go ahead and eat dinner. And oh, I want to show you guys what I picked up from Target today, like a little Target haul for you guys. I'll show you guys what I got today, and then yeah, probably in the vlog after I show you guys. So let me show you guys what I got from Target really quick. All right guys, so this is all that I got from Target today. Got at least 4 of these hangers. They were like 99 cents for Pharaoh's clothes. And then I got me another electric toothbrush. I got this dry brush to exfoliate my skin. This is my favorite deodorant. I like the Dove Advanced Care. And this is the, what is it, Karen Coconut. I haven't found like a nice natural organic deodorant that I like, so if you guys know any of these, please comment down below some, so I could definitely like research and check them out. And then I got the Share Moisture 100% extra virgin coconut oil to use on my body and then also for my hair. I've used this in the past and I absolutely love it. Then I got me a nice body scrub, a sugar scrub from Raw Sugar, and this is a raw coconut and mango. And I really like this because it's cruelty and vegan free. So I love cruelty and vegan free products. You guys know that I love organic natural products. And then this is a brand that is of organic feminine care. This is the L brand. I'll leave a link down below with more details of this if you guys want to check this out. But I just got me some more feminine care product. And I have the tampon and the regular pads of this brand, so I'll definitely leave a link down below. And I do plan on doing like a feminine care products and my favorite like body care products video coming up soon, so definitely check that out soon. But I got me another loofah. And then I love this. I started using this during my pregnancy. This is a Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Peppermint Soap. And I love this. Like, this amount here lasts me for months. And like I said, I've used this during my pregnancy and I absolutely love it. It smells so good, like with peppermint, especially when you take a hot shower with this. Like, it smells so good. So definitely like this. I've used this on my face and my hair before, but I like this mostly for my hair and my body, and for my face. And then also I use the tea tree oil of this brand, Castile soap, for my face. I absolutely love it. And you get this at Target. I've noticed that Ulta, well, my local Ulta that I go to, had this in like the other soaps. So yeah, definitely like that. And then for Pharaoh, he got this cute, well, my mom picked this up. This is a cute like Black History little bodysuit, and it has Malcolm, Harriet, Martin, Maya, and Frederick. And I thought that was so cute for Black History Month. And then I got this cute little like dressy casual outfit for him from Target also. So I thought this was really cute. It's gonna go really cute with his dress shoes that I ordered from Carter's from the app. And yeah, so that is what I got from Carter's today, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much, and Pharaoh and I will check you guys out in another vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Living in the present, but our mind is in the past.